Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is emilou.arts, and today I'm going to do some journaling in my Hobonichi A6 Techo for the weekend. And it was such a fun weekend. I'm just excited to get in my journal and throw some things in. I'm searching through my Delfonics pouch. I love this. It's the medium size. Looking for stickers to use. And then stay tuned until the end of the video because I'm going to draw winners for the 3 hand-knitted things that my mom made from the giveaway. So stay tuned. So this is sometimes how I like to start before I journal, is I pull out stickers that I think I might want to use. And a lot of these are new from a gift that I got in Happy Mail. And then I sift through the little tray that I keep on my desk of recent things that I've pulled from magazines or schoolwork that my kids have given me, something, stuff like that that I might want to include in my journal. So I look through all that. And then I have baskets of smaller collage images in my drawer. So I pulled one of those out. And I'm just looking through all my old things that I've pulled out of Real Simple magazines and just different magazines to see if there's anything that I would like to put in there. So I found a few things. And then this was from the Japan Post package that my cousin Avec came in. I got it in the mail on Saturday, and that was just a cutout from the envelope. And then I cut out the thing that says Japan Post and where it came from. I always like looking at addresses from different places. I think it's so cool. Like, it's just different, It's fun saving things from the mail that I get that's international, because until I started journaling, I had never gotten international mail before. So I'm a dork and I think it's kind of cool. So I put that in there. And then this little thing of washi was so cute, and it came on the package that I got. I'll link the Etsy shop that I ordered my Avec from. I don't know why I didn't just order it from Hobonichi. It took just as long. I mean, it was great. It came in great shape, but I'll probably make another order and just order from Hobonichi. And then that little yellow tree I thought was so cute. And the guy with the scarf, it's just really cooled down. So Saturday was just a beautiful fall day. It was like sunny, but like 55. It was just gorgeous. And I put in some washi, and then a picture of my husband and I at a wedding we went to on Saturday evening. It was just so precious. It was, gosh, I cried. It was just so cute. They were just so young and in love, and it was precious. And so pretty, and it just reminded me kind of our wedding because of the fall colors, and we got married on October 17th. So it was just a really fun night to go to a wedding. Kind of, we were sort of celebrating our own little anniversary too. So it was just a great way to spend an evening with him. And we don't often get a babysitter to go out on a date, so that was fun. And then I had pulled these collage images from like a party scene in Real Simple a long time ago. And I thought, well, hell, we're bound to go on a date someday, and maybe they could use them. So I finally did, yay! So there's like a little wine glass and like kind of like a little lantern with lights, and it just reminded me of the decorations in at the wedding. So I pulled those, and then some old stickers from a Webster's Pages scrapbooking kit. I've got my sticker binder there, and I love that thing. It has made pulling stickers a lot easier, and I'm really using a lot of them. And then my letter saying stickers from Tim Holtz, I put one on our picture. And then Hong and Ding, that old man. It was funny because we realized how old we are now. Like, when the youngsters got on the dance floor, we were like, do you want to go home and put on your pajamas? We both did. We were tired. So that was it was funny. But we had a great time. And then those bloom planner stickers, there was some cute like date night ones, like a lipstick and a candle and stuff. So I put some of those in there and then just wrote that we got to go to the wedding and we had so much fun. And it was just a really nice night. So that was beautiful. And then I'm putting in some hearts with this Pentel sign pen. And then I had, I made a little tip in that you guys didn't see from my journaling. I put a picture of my grandmother because I found out she's not doing really well. She just kind of went downhill really sort of quickly. And so I put in a picture of her holding me when I was a baby. And there was the horoscope from my dad, the newspaper that morning was just really, really poignant. And it was just kind of about, the bitterness of when you feel lost, it means you really loved. So I'm just recording the things that I want to remember about her. I don't think she's got very long left, so that makes me sad, but she's 94 and she's lived a great long life, and I would really like her to be at peace. So that's why I added that. And then the back of it was empty, so I stuck on the Tooth Fairy letter that Addie wrote. It was super cute. It was like,
please watch over my tooth.
Make sure he's okay. And then I went to Sunday and put in some washi and some fall stickers. This is that season sticker book that I got from Anne. I love those stickers, are so pretty. And pumpkin, and today is just kind of a relaxing day where Michael's watching football, and he's also working on a shelf that he's building me for our bedroom, for that little nook where my vanity desk was that I moved into the kids' playroom. We're making like a ladder bookshelf kind of thing that goes there. So he's been working on that in the garage, and then I'm just journaling about that and about how fun the wedding was. And it was just beautiful. I pulled those flower stickers because she had like sunflowers and really fall like colors, and it was just so pretty. It was just such a wonderful thing. And I'm using my mahogany pen. I love that, the Sarasa gel pen in mahogany. I am obsessed, you guys. I'm using it all the time now. It just goes with everything, and it writes so nice. And then on the side where the washi is, I just ended up putting so many stickers, like a bear drinking a glass of wine, and then one of my pig and cat stickers that says caution. It's like him building something. Just reminded me of Michael. And then just random stickers of like coffee and tea and just kind of relaxing things. And then this little bow. Those are all from the pig and cat set. And then this little, these little stickers, there was a little guy in a cape, and I put that on there because it just reminded me of Michael. Like, I can just basically ask him, like, hey, do you think you could build me this? And he's like, sure. He's kind of like my Superman. And then I really love him because he puts up with the cats. So I put some cats in there because they barf on everything and they're fat and annoying, but I love them, and so he loves them too, even though he doesn't really love them. And then I'm just adding hearts with my Mildliner. And on Monday, even though it's just Sunday, I decided to stick in some things for Monday. One of my Hong and Ding stickers with a little box, because I'm hoping to send out some of my packages for the drawing tomorrow. And then my kids' fundraiser for school is tomorrow, where they run a mile and they raise money. And so I put a little Hong and Ding. And then this MeeTape washi I got off of Amazon, and it makes me laugh so hard. It always reminds me of like them in their school, because all the little kids. And then a lot of these, I think they're like Positoon or something. I got them on Amazon. I'll link them below. But the cat stickers, I just put in a bunch of different cats, like, because it's so funny doing the fun run. I volunteer for it, and some of the kids are like gung-ho and go like run as fast as they can, and some of them are like looking at the butterflies, and then some of them are just like, you know, why do I have to do this? So it was just funny. And it's like herding cats. So I thought that was appropriate. And then this is just a little flip through of these pages. I had a lot of fun journaling today, and I hope that you guys had a great weekend and that the weather is treating you well. Stay tuned for the giveaway, and please subscribe. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, I'm here and it's Sunday, and it is noon or close to. And I'm going to pick a winner for the 3 giveaways that my mom knitted. So I'm excited. I'm going to turn you around so you can see what I'm doing. And then if it's you, then just send me, I'll put a link to, I'll tell you my email in the description, and you can email me with your address that I can send you your package. Oh, Skinny wants to be involved. Okay, I'm going to do my best here to show you what I'm doing. I'm going to copy the URL to this video. So, dink, I think it says link, copy to clipboard. Going to random YouTube comment picker. Just refresh it, make sure it's fresh. And then, let's see, can I paste, and then filter. What is this? Filter duplicate users, I'm doing that. Filter comments based on specific text, no, I'm not doing that. Get YouTube comments, let's see. Amount of unique commenters, 106. Okay. So I think I just push start. The first one is the hat and gloves that I'm doing. Winner, Yachty Moppin. I love the watercoloring. I have so many Halloween stickers and now washi tape that I don't know where to start. This video just encouraged me to stick them everywhere. Awesome. So I'm gonna write your name down. Yachty. I'm sorry if I'm saying that totally wrong. Moppin. That's hat and gloves. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is the blue shawl thing. This shawl. Okay. So let's see. I think I can pick another winner here. Start. Abby C. You and your mom are adorable. I love watching your videos. That's so sweet. So Abby C, you have the shawl scarfy thing. And then I'm going to pick a last winner for the neck warmer thingamajig. Okie dokie. Let's pick another winner. Start. Aaron Stevens. I love watching your videos. You always give me great ideas and make my journaling fun. Thank you. Well, that is awesome, Aaron. Thank you. And thank you all for leaving me wonderful comments and for entering, because it was super fun. And I'm sure my mom has a lot of stuff, so I'm sure there'll be another giveaway at some point. But for right now, Yachty Moppin, hat and gloves. Abby C has the shawl, and Erin, you have yourself a little neck warmer infinity scarf thing. All right, so be sure to check the description of this video, and I will put my email in it so that you can send me an email with your address. All right, so I hope to hear from you guys. If I don't hear from you in like within a week, I will draw another winner. So just get in touch with me. Thank you guys. Thanks everyone. Bye.